Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope so that you all will be fine. You know that we are on chapter number 2 part B. This is a playtime and we are doing its exercise from workbook. We have completed its part A and today we are going to do its part B. This is page number 13 and the heading of part B is asking questions. The first one statement is change these sentences into questions. Students, first of all, I will let you know that how you have to make questions from simple statements. There are some rules and regulations to make questions. In simple sentences, we just write down the helping verb at the start of the sentence and the remaining sentence will come as the same. And we will put question mark at the end of the sentence. So in this way you will write down the sentences into questions. Now look at A part. Hassan will come here tomorrow. Look here, the will is helping verb. We will write down will at the start of the sentence. Then Hassan come here tomorrow. So the structure of the sentence will be will Hassan come here tomorrow? This will become a question sentence. B part. I am going to Murree on Friday. Am is a helping verb. So the sentence will be am I going to Murree on Friday? And we will write down question mark at the end of the sentence. C part. He is a good carpenter. Is he a good carpenter? In this way, you will change the statements into questions. Now move towards the next one page. This is page number 14, D part. They are playing football. Are they playing football? E part. We shall eat now. Shall is a helping verb, so the sentence will be shall we eat now? And at the end, we will write down question mark. F part. I should take this basket to the market. We will write down should at the start because should is a helping verb. Should I take this basket to the market? G part. We may go out to play now. May we go out to play now? H part. We could do it on Saturday. Could is a helping verb, so we will change the statement. So we will change the statement into question. So we will change the statement into question in this way. Could we do it on Saturday? And at the end we will write down question mark. I part. He must finish his work. Must he finish his work? He must finish his work now. Must he finish his work now? J part. The sun will shine tomorrow. Will the sun shine tomorrow? I think so, students. This pattern, this procedure is quite clear to you that how you have to change the statements into questions. Now look at the part 2. Make questions of your own in your notebook. Start with the words below. Here some question words are given in the list. The first one is would, B shall, C may, D why, E should and F whose. You have to start different questions by using these starting words, and these are question words and you have to make questions out of these words. So I have ready this sketch for you. Now look here students, you have to ready your sketch, unit number 2, part B, playtime. Make questions of your own. Words and sentences. The first one word is would. Would you be able to help me tomorrow? Part B, shall. Shall I put them over there? C part, may. May I come in please? D part, why. Why do birds lay eggs? E part, should. Should we leave now? F part, whose. Whose bag is this? So students, I think so this is quite clear to you. You can make your own sentences by using these words, and you have to do this homework on your notebook. I think so it's quite clear to you. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.